Hey guys, hey YouTube, this is Airsoft Plays 15, and I was just going to do a shooting video, second take, but you can see me reload this. People have trouble loading these. I don't have the black piece, I lost it ordering a new one, but you just push this little button up. This sucks that it's gonna win report because it sucks so much. Don't know if that will be enough, so I'll just get more. Bedroom's 4 BBs. Right now, my mom hates it, but yeah, I'm going to be doing it. Oh, I just caught that one, but well, so I'm going to be shooting at one direction. Press so you see back there, right under my gun, and pause. DP4, great gun. Sucks reloading. I hate this gun for reloading. I'm buying a bunch of mags just for this. Cause I just like it too much. Usually I just sell it, give it back, but pretty easy gun. We're gonna see about 20 feet away, and you can see it. I'm just gonna do steno and cock because I don't really want to do it in the house because it's cold outside. Now I'm going for the left head. Now cock. This is supposed to be more powerful, but whatever. Far Blondie. That came back and hit me. Now let's go for a guy on top of everyone that looks weird. Now let's go for a guy in a plaid shirt. In the nose. Now that Chinese guy with the watch in the neck. That was perfect. And now finally just top of the poster. This is for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. I had one more left. I was just joking with you. Gosh, guys, now I have airsoft bullets all over my room just for you guys. A couple of these hit my leg. Hope it didn't break. Just shattered a little bit. We are doing good, you know. So I'm going to bring it up close so you guys can see all the damage that we did. Dang, I hit. Boy, it's good. Okay. Look, that's the one I called in the neck. I can't. That's how just dead on this is. Him I got in the forehead. They'd be dead. Someone lost a couple teeth playing hockey. Him 2 nostrils. Him just a funny nose, and oh my god, I messed up his hair. But yeah, this is. And look at the back. It actually went through. But I hope you enjoy. I screwed up my room for you guys. Bye.